you want that plate to be colorful and full of good nutrition. It makes it quick and delicious as well. You are what you eat.
Joni, as a Hannaford dietitian, I get to go into schools in the local Portland area, and I get to talk to the children about fruits and vegetables and how they can put them in their lunch box, and just including a fruit or a vegetable with each meal is important, and the way they can pack with these small little containers in their lunchbox, putting some strawberries or some local blueberries is a way to get them to get their nutrition during the day so they feel well while they're at school.
What I like about blueberries is that they're full of antioxidants, and it's an indigenous crop to Maine, especially in the summer months. You know, citrus provides really high nutrition, and it's a great travel food because it packs very easily. And as a matter of fact, I take it to another degree in that I sometimes use oranges to roll on when I'm on the road if I have a sore muscle, and that really juices the orange up. So then afterwards I bite into it and I really get a hit of zest.